So we're here at Amber Rose Cafe in Canton, and I picked up a single pancake with caramelized bananas, chocolate chips, and they put a nice little mint leaf in there for me. And then over here I got a steak tenderloin with eggs and the Cake Benedict, pretty much with home fries, and I got a few asparagus, so I'm gonna dig in. And then I also got their homemade OJ, which is like fresh. So it's not too sweet, but I like it like that, you know. So, not good. Whatever sauce they use is really good. It's different than the ones I've had. Let me try the home fries.
What's the sauce taste like? Is it like creamy?
It's creamy, almost like, you know, like clam chowder, like kind of like that sauce.
Oh, okay.
That's what it reminds me of.
Oh, it's probably heavy and stuff.
Yeah, it's heavy, but it's really good. Like with the steak, like a creamy. And the home fries are good too, nice and seasoned. I'm using this sauce with it though.
Yeah, they look pretty good.
Thank you. Good service here.
Oh, yeah.
Let me try the pancake.
Yeah, the pancakes look on point.
Yeah, it looks on point. Uh-oh. See, with the banana, chocolate chip, fresh chocolate chip.
Yeah. It looks nice, fluffy.
Oh, wow. Good.
It looks nice, fluffy. What's on there? The syrup?
Yeah, they already put the syrup on and everything, so you don't even have to oversaturate it. It's all set.
That looks good.
I'm happy I got it.
So I got the crab cake Benedict, which is today's special. Look at this. So what we got here? So here's the crab cake. Ooh, the poached egg, the hollandaise sauce.
Oh, you have hot sauce on it?
I don't know. I don't know if it's hot sauce. It's not hot sauce.
That's a hot sauce.
I don't know what it is.
It looks good though.
It does look good.
You got the asparagus too, okay.
Yeah, let me cut into this. Ooh, look at this.
The yolk.
I'll get that boy. Oh damn, that shit's on point.
Oh yeah.
Let me this is gonna be messy, man. Should have cut it into smaller pieces. Check it out. See it? Ooh. Oh, I think. Huh? No. I only grabbed. No. I only grabbed the crab cake. I didn't grab any of the other stuff. Let me grab the other shit. Crab cake is really good.
How's the crab cake?
It's
Is
good.
it fried?
It looked like it's fried, but you can tell that they made it here because it's nice and flaky and
They're
like,
homemade.
Yeah, it's not fishy.
It's not like frozen or nothing.
I think it's like the best part of this. Glad I got it. The yolk definitely helps too.
It was on the list, the special.
Like you can taste the
Visuals.
yeah, you can taste the crabbiness of it, but definitely
You taste the crab? Nice.
I don't even know what the sauce is, but
Yeah, is yours similar to mine? Is it creamy or no?
no, the sauce is not creamy though. It's like light.
Yeah, yours is probably different.
Yeah, it's probably supposed to complement the crab cake.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
look
I
at it.
see it. Yeah, I see
Yeah, you see it?
Uh-huh.
Look at all the chunks of the crab, bro.
Yeah.
But definitely good. What's this, the home fries?
Yeah, the home fries.
Pretty good. Definitely like it. Oh, you said try some yours?
Yeah.
Ooh, I got chunks of like the chocolate chip. I didn't know that.
It's like way different than I was expecting.
Yeah, it's good. It's like sweet if you like chocolate. The pancake's nice and flaky. Definitely on point. So we just finished at Amber Road in Connecticut. I mean in Canton. Amber Road in Canton. And my crab cake Benedict was really good. It was tasted homemade. It didn't have a lot of fillers, so I could taste the crab in it. The sauce was really good, and the egg was nicely poached. Jamal's pancake was really good.
Yeah, the pancake was on point with the caramelized bananas on it and the fresh chocolate chips. It was a little sweet if people don't like things too sweet, but for me it was good. I couldn't finish it all because I also had the steak Benedict, which was a big filler. I like the steak. They cooked it on point. I told them medium well. It was like really on point with the sauce. The sauce complemented the steak well too. Yeah, everything. You know, I definitely would recommend this place. Really good.
Oh yeah, his sauce was really like creamy,
Thick.
Yeah, thick. It was fairly decent. I think we paid like $53. I mean, you're gonna pay for a high-end breakfast spot. It's worth a shot. So
Bit of a wait too.
Yeah, yeah, a bit of a wait, but thank us later.